What's up, Sushi Lords family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Mat. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you cucumber sushi at home. Cucumber is one of the most usable ingredients. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you 4 different cucumber sushi at home. The main ingredients will be a cucumber. So I'll start to wrap the bamboo mat. This is the film plastic. Today I'm going to use cucumber, that is the local cucumber. If you have the Japanese and English cucumber, it will be very good. And I'm going to use the lima and salmon, that the salmon belly part, that is totally sushi and sesame grade fish. And if you don't know how to fillet a whole salmon and make a supermarket salmon as a sushi and sesame grade fish, you can check this video, okay? And also I'm going to use the Deliciously Dumar, that is the crab stick. Deliciously Dumar, and that is the shrimp, cooked shrimp, and white sesame seeds, toasted white sesame seeds. That is the Masago, ginger and wasabi. And I have here Teju. Teju means equal quantity of vinegar and water to prevent the bacteria and to moisturize the hands, to clean the chopping board, to clean the knife. Firstly, I will start to take out the skins of this shrimp, okay? Today I'm making the video after a long time. After almost, it happens like 3 months. So I'm a little bit nervous, but I hope I'm gonna grab all the situations, okay? Let's see. And I'm thankful to all of my Sushi Lords family. Finally, I'm 50k and it's giving me more strength, more responsibility and more energy to make more videos also. So let's see, coming days I'll do a little bit more videos and more varieties videos, okay? Also, I have to take this black part. Here's the black part, as you can see here. I'm gonna clean this black part. I'm going to clean, you can see here. Okay, I will start with very easy and very juicy and very simple sushi with Gunkan Sushi, okay? Firstly, I'm going to take some slice from this cucumber. Like this. I'm gonna put all in together. Then I'm gonna cut this side and also this side. And also, if there is the uneven, like there is not good shape, you can cut just a little bit here. Okay, to make the gunkans, firstly I'll moisture my hand here like this. If you don't know how to make sushi rice, you can check this video. I'm saying everything's in a step by step how to make sushi rice at home. Now I'll make small rice ball like this. It's not a, don't be offended, this is not a traditional way to make sushi. This is totally fusion sushi at home, okay? And also, when you are going to make the rice ball, don't press too much. Inside the sushi rice should be a ear. Don't press too much, okay? Just a little bit. Yes, like this. I'm gonna wrap this sushi rice by slice. Like this way. And one very important thing is, for example, this is the closing part. As you can see here, it can open. So always push and make the oval shape from that side, okay? And always put in the together so it cannot open. Like this way. So for the topping, I'll use just a little bit salmon. I'll use just salmon dice cut like this way. I'm not going to chop the salmon. It's a dice, so that when you are going to eat, you will feel the real textures and flavor of the salmon. For the another two, I'm going to use the Philadelphia and just a little bit Masago. Also, if you have, you can use Toviko, you can use the Ikura. And with the rest of two, I'm going to use the Japanese mayonnaise and shrimp. Toasted white sesame seeds. And with the Japanese mayo and shrimp, I'm going to use the Togarashi. Salmon dice cut, I'm going to use spring onions. Yes, this is our first types of the cucumber sushi at home. It's called Gunkan Sushi. To make the Kappa Maki, firstly I have to prepare cucumber. Cut from here. This flour I can use later. In a half. You can cut the Katsuramukhi technique or you can cut in a half. I'll cut in a simple and easy way, okay? You can cut in a 1/3, then you can cut in a half, then take out the seeds. That means the stripe will be looks like this. After the seaweed, whole seaweed, I'm gonna break it in a half. Let's use the bamboo mat. I will moisturize my hand. I will take around 60 to 70 grams sushi rice. This is the cucumber maki, okay? And gently separate it. In this video, I'll try to show everything in a details, I'm not going to cut many things. And try to put all around the sushi rice equal quantity. Then you can use just a little bit wasabi. That is totally optional, yeah? If you don't like the wasabi, you can put later on the plate also. Sesame seeds, just a little bit, so it will give the extra level of aroma. Then I'm going to use the cucumber here. And then you can cut the cucumber like this way, like this stripe, so it will be easy for if you are beginners. And if you want, you can cut the Katsuramukhi techniques. And if you want to see how to cut cucumber for sushi and sashimi in a detailed way, you can check this video, okay? Let's roll it, secure the ingredients and roll it. The cutting idea is very simple. To cut the Hosomaki is very easy, Cut in a half. Like this way. It should be equal, like this, nice. Then you can cut in a 4 pieces each of them. That means it will be a 8 pieces, or you can cut the 3 pieces each of them, so it will be a 6 pieces. So I'll cut it at 3, okay? Yes, this is our Kappa Maki, cucumber Hosomaki. Let's make cucumber maki, the real cucumber maki, which today I really want to make. I'll use a little bit Japanese mayonnaise, just a little bit sesame oil, that is totally optional, okay? Just a little bit soy sauce, and my special one is the sesame seeds. And if you want to make a little bit spicy and nutty flavor, Togarashi is always best for me. Let's make the cucumber slice. I'm going to use the rice pepper firstly. The rice pepper firstly we have to make the little bit soggy. So I'm going to use this teju, or you can use directly water and you can wait a little bit time. Yes, like this way. Now I'm going to put all the slice of cucumber here. Trust me, this sushi roll gonna be a really good. Here I'm going to use Philadelphia. And I'm going to use this shrimp and the slice of salmon, Masago, spicy catfish stick. Now I'm going to roll it. Nice. Wow, it will be fucking good. You can cut directly. Also, you can use the film plastic, so it will be easy, I make that kinds of sushi first time. I'm pretty sure it will be a really good. Yes, this is our real cucumber sushi roll. I'm going to make one uramaki inside our sushi roll, but I'll try to make a little bit different. I'll just use a little bit less rice for this. Nice. flip it. But that is the inside out sushi roll. I'm going to use the cucumber and I'm going to use the shrimp. Cooked shrimp. And I'm going to use the little bit avocado, because avocado is my best ingredients for every sushi. Okay, let's roll it. That sushi roll gonna be like a spicy and just a little bit sweet as well. I'm going to use the teriyaki as well. So now I'll use the top, this salmon slice. I'll use just a little bit Philadelphia, the top of this sushi roll, so it will grab very easily the salmon slice. If you love the Philadelphia, if you don't love, no need to put. Wow, this salmon belly is really good. Nice. Wow, it's so good. To cut this sushi roll also, I'm going to use the film plastic, so it will be easy, more comfortable. Yeah, I'm going to make one bamboo flower. Let's see. I'll try. I forget or not. Let's see. Nice, not bad. On the top, I'll use the Japanese mayo, or you can use the Philadelphia. It's depend on you. I already used the Philadelphia, so I'll use just a little bit Japanese mayo, and I'll use green onions. Chirasa sauce also. And Togarashi. This is my best always. Every times, you know. This is Battleship-style sushi sauce, teriyaki sauce. That's it, guys. This is how we can make our fourth spicy dragon cucumber sushi. Yes, this is our first types of cucumber sushi, Gunkan Sushi at home. This is a beautiful Kappa Maki. This is one of the best and famous traditional sushi. And that is our very good cucumber roll, the real cucumber roll. And this is our spicy dragon sushi. This is how we can make different types of cucumber sushi at home. This sushi roll I'm gonna love really. This will be a really good, I'm pretty sure. This Kappa Maki is always fresh, crunchy and aroma flavor with sesame seeds. This Gunkan I already made many times, and this dragon will be a little bit different today also. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.